Here's the point where we're going to drill the hole for the EnviroVent for the kiln in the corner here. I'm going to finish off that wiring today, but and right now it has been requested that I do not turn the power off, so I'm going to hold off on that for a little bit. We will at least start drilling here from the inside. Probably we'll do the exterior next weekend, but we went outside, figured out kind of roughly where we wanted it to come from the outside, and then used a laser level just outside the garage door here to be able to kind of transfer that line from the exterior wall onto the interior wall here, so that we can come out roughly in the place we would like on the outside. We got the hole saw here. We marked where we're going to drill through. I drilled a pilot hole just to kind of try to see if I could see anything in there. I'm pretty sure there's nothing behind here. Plugs up here. It's on this side, but I'm going to be careful to just go through the drywall, get this out. I'm using a 4.5-inch hole saw. We're just going to go all the way through at some point. The vent tube is actually 3-inch, so I've got a 3-inch to 4-inch adapter that will go to the vent outside. Using the laser level again. I got 6-inch studs, so transferring the center line of this hole to the exterior where I want it is difficult, but we knew where the center of the circle was, so we just aligned the crosshairs up on the exterior wall with the center of the circle, and then now we should have a dot in the middle, which tells us where our center should be on the exterior wall. Right, we drilled the hole through just to pilot it so we know roughly where it needs to be, and then now we are going to core drill this, and then we'll line up the block we need using the vent cover and everything, so we can cut out the siding appropriately.
All that for a little 4.25-inch hole.
Alright, so we put the vent on. We're going to slide this through. Ideally, it slides through the other side too. There we go. Oop. A little bit up. Now I need the level. Alright, so now we got this so that the pipe is centered in, and what we can do is mark the siding now. Where we need to cut it out. So, this is the seed flashing I bent. I just got a plate of flashing and bent it to size. I probably shouldn't have pulled that out because it was a pain to get back in. So that goes up underneath there. And then they say you should put, the directions for the board say you should put a bead of caulk. Oh, I forgot to puncture my caulk.
Sweetheart, he needs the skewer. There you go.
Gotta puncture my caulk.
I feel rain on me. Oh no, I've got glue on me. I want to stick my fingers together. What? Oh. No.
Stupid weather forecast yesterday said it wasn't gonna rain. Okay. That goes up there. Hey, young helper type. Come hold this up here for me.
There's blocking camera.
Now,
Sorry, the cameraman needs to.
I'm gonna put a little bit of caulk around the back side of this. There we go. No.
Yay! You got. Oh no, it's just. Yay! Well, the top part's a little bit askew.
It's beautiful. Never mind.
Okay. Beautiful. Well,
really,
it's not.
Whoever is going to come back here with a ruler.
I've got this exterior vent hood that has a, I see in here, flap for when the vent's going, and then it's got this rodent guard, but I'm not too sure about exactly how fine this is for wasps, which we get a lot of just clicks in here. So I'm actually going to put some of this netting inside there and attach it using some JB Weld water weld putty. We'll see how that goes. That'd be a good idea to get some gloves. This stuff is a little brutal on the fingers. bad. No idea if this will work well, but we're gonna put some of this JB Weld putty on various points along. Thinking dots might work better than trying to put strips in. There we go. I'm sure that will be enough sticky.
Oh, there it is. Where's Wow? Right there.
So take that.
That's more like it goes all the whole way down.
All right, got our box all caulked up, and we cut this tube down to size and put the 3-inch to 4-inch adapter on it. So now I'm going to put some caulk on the back side of this and then squish it onto that and attach it. There it is in the final configuration, all caulked up and ready to go. We're gonna get some paint tomorrow and paint it up so you won't know the difference. There, we cut the little length of pipe off so it fits in our hole a little better. And then now marked the bracket holes on the wall. We're gonna attach it. All right, we are ready to go. I got the actual plug wired up, so that's all set. And then we got our EnviroLink and our EnviroVent set up. I got a little rubber glove on it right now, just, I don't know, felt good to seal it up. And then the last thing we have to do is take apart the kiln a little bit, take it off the base, and then there's a little plenum cup that goes on the underside of that with the hose that hooks up to the vent. So we hook that up and then everything will be ready to fire up. So I took the lid off the kiln, and then I'm gonna have to pick the kiln up off the base with some help from my wife. But there is a hole drilled in the base of the kiln there. And that's what has to, the plenum cup needs to lay over, or lay under that to suck the fumes out. And so that gets attached to the base here. Yeah.
What about in the kiln?
Did you get it? It sucks.